Mao. So, budget is saying,
Yamiadum now, sir.
Yamiadum be a boko. And then the Kaka Crebina can be made for your Jumano.
That's my
idea. As some media to post a year share a sexual right of couples. A back our for any and no more. Rights being and a woho.
Medase, Shakasi and Comma, Ashafuna, Anapay. Now, Usha, Dudwana, the Dicano, say, Ushan year. Say, now what she a chewons and out me and ye chewing. Yet the Mrani Bebri etuja. Now, Adibakwen saying in Ayesian say, Obia our rights and privileges. Beneath some account about rights and privileges, say about our dear and in Pemagra. Yes, me Mobia fan home Kamobi. Na se ntiasie embaya empemagro te oye bibi e fa empemagro na ntiasie ni emienu ntima enye empemagro burofum de be kan eye abuse and na osha abuse na two different words. It's abnormal use abnormal use and abuse and then say me no we yen pne so say meye now say wo de obeye menye meye Meya, net is father rape aba. And there's a right for everybody. And the last 2 weeks I fear ne jako si empa ho cho emma nkrofo say mema no so bre ye rape won. And am ka say
mema rape.
Me hwe mema rape pa say be meya nyankopon de adom ye ya e vulnerable yi. And
na me basiri ansa na obekọ eyi mema ye rape won so no. Menye okay.
Yeah.
No, abuse.
That abuse. Menye, okay, yeah. Why we? Why yeah, bisa. Why we? And you went here sasa. Went here na be promosa. I mean that once there's no mutual understanding, no. Now say what step you on another person's right. I say menye na say okay, yeah. And happen. Why we? Yeah, it should be mutually understand because me can say regularly no we empemagro. Now when do pempen so be a brofo kasem ye friend orgasm and lead you to mild stroke. Maka same way that. And tina this year best not twice orgasm conference 2014.
She said be was orgasm.
You have to get it. I say when do ha who took anko tamale. Now do kumase na say baby anya baby aye bia. Baby anko ne he. Well, and you came from a grow impa do no omo pempemagro sem bema. And tina one for ben do baby or corner na the buafu. And baby brain omo buafu e wa wade mu empemagro o ba na say no be one chroma shem no. If you say yentumi fa won do baby say ye di won do. What must say? And the right of every individual they say ubedu pempen so bia ho be sano. Ama wani so isu a egu won efi ho aba. Ama wadwem ada ho ye. Se nipa da se nye empemagro papa oba adwuma de bia nanim ye nsresere nko a ema productive ko anim. Eko anim pa. Na se ndu baby say edu na de bia wa tofa. Onye complete. And the right of everybody, one, is to make sure that you arrive at orgasm in every act of intercourse that you have, especially in the marital walls. And now, the right is that we should not have sex, but we should make love. That's a right. It's a right to make love and not to have sex. Because you see, you have sex, sex, appear doing love making, but it should be love making. And now, we are love making now. Udu baby pa. Say who have sex. And then Crawford do on popcorn boys and girls, someone worry and a chance no make you laugh. And someone who do no me abalo and to we and come myself. Abalo show mammy. And 10 maybe time now at the back so you and that's a right. The next thing is that your right and privilege is that you breaking your virginity must be something that looks very important to you. I say virginity and now or yan for be fan who count down a da person be doing count who are privilege be and the privilege I said the environment must be conducive for you who bet sit there yeah na say and since so be brown say some be breaking and nano and the be do what you say ko si so be ko heavy and be ko hell what must say and it's for being fan who count when you say one year bibia your friend is self abuse. It's your right to prevent self abuse. Also a right. Well, self abuse they be in masturbation. And I don't make us say in crofobia ho ne mbeme bia ware won na so abuse bi omoye mbema ne se mbema na ebre onwa ba na dabi aden to aso na bema no koma ate se yen ya koma ne de se adwuma no mba enyo makoma no de yo won omo wo so nyeboja na eba ho but there's a chemistry that goes on the electrons will flow. Now ade na attractive. Na age de say age. Sa ba be ma de akoma ni pompi moje. Na se bi ade ama o. Na wo to awadwuma yi so ho abada bi na akoma yi koso. Na de sa ho abada bi be.
Nyabote.
Eh right.
Ade enchen ye. But sasem no eyese wo bebisa. Dem ma wo no oba
da wo so be wo kɔ no wo be se hu se adwuma me ya na menye ese nipa ne ni mo da hoyi enko yo ni nyina abai wo na te wo bisa hwe se bio ba bia wo du no wo
ne te me bisa ne se na bia wo fo se wo mbo modern ana ono wundi ni yeti wo bisa
enye de bia to bia ade na wo enye se wa bre wo kase wa bre wa hwe ya kase wa ko ba bia je no so tumi nka wa bre no so kase enye fa na ko wa bre o ye bisa asa so ne de asema ba to de bia won se yen ye de no ye nche ne ba ye bia ye ko di yen nche ne ba yen dudo na mema dudo na wo kromu ha papa na me ne akasa no 7 out of 10 men nya orgasm da. They only get ejaculation. There are two things.
Mema no.
Mema bebre nya orgasm da. Nyina ejaculation omunya. Na se wonya orgasm pa dia, obu se pema gro ehun wonfaso ema bema ma ema owudie mu yeye ma ovens ye normal nyama henti won. Enti to de be ye bisa sa asem na enye eye sexual communication na ye bisa na nice ye wose na ye bisa no. Ohima wadu ho. Ye won sem bia yusu. Na nyati se na wo so aden da be na abeba me de meja yo
na asasi esu no
ngrobo esu e bi esu da ese bu ragged cross ye di ma o yes ah se so be ye na se so be na se atu adwinum ese mpema gro no e sha se fi ha enye ha enti e bisa etumunti ase se ye bisa etoro bi a obrewo ana ya mu no ya so ano ye bi wi afra ni delay ejaculation ya so mu edu pepe so be 11 seconds pe o as compare mu 45 and mu ko anim say yen and 11 seconds no yentumi so mu ne agya mu agu so na ye boy de na say de ne ade e wa abonten hwe han ade fefefe bi na ko bombo my vulnerability e boy anim and say na tie no wan hwe ni ye a yentumi nche and ye delay within 11 seconds to 15 seconds no na ye be say e bo so kakra na eba na obi say yen ba na say ye so ye de na no say wo mba ne e ba and ye so ya tia moja ya so ama meja ya be gina ba bia ma ya stop no say don't rush into the last cup nembra na gosu emba na ewo ade bi etori bi amba ne mbantem me kire bi ni ade ba ko e mo ba mbantem one masturbation
okay oba onu atwetwe no
watwetwe ne ho saa enti se sia no ade sebio se bibi kohye ne ho a onte wa masturbate na obi a wa masturbate saa so na che se ne ho onyamba e sankrofo betmeku ometmeku na wonso a yebetmeku wonso tumiku ho na masturbation nso enya no pe no bi nso o do masturbation o yusu other nyame bia ebi te say vibrator
ene nuya na Ghana de say
ene the last week we had news item be see see a ton wo jawolu na to be chira size wo chira length na ya to ama dua enti wa bisa ho sukonu ma won wale ye woti u be bia ase me hye me ho na Christopher mbey na yesa anope mbese me susu mbrafo a Christopher mbey na yade sa
okofa be ma ye beka
enti
ene o hyedem no didua edi no ho
wale no kofie na ho kyerɛw uti no so na gay na wonya hwe na wonya hwe kra na wonya hwe ku wo Yesu di mu wo na uko hwe na chi anyama wode ne honam na ye no vibrator ye ka me nwa ba sa hu bi da me de ma hu bi da ma so mu da me ne se na tie e wo 3 gears o na you 6 volt battery 6 volt o na ye do two first one na dim
ba
na hye no ho that's first gear obey me fa no kan oda na where you so ji na hye ho na the second one ba jigi sa na second one no to say be feel say jigi na third one jigicha ai mbay kura de ne ham na wo ti ho nam this is I'm talking about your right
jigicha o ku ne ho
and I feel share be man na
awade ko ni jigicha
na usisi bema onim se osusi etumi jigicha
ade so e battery yo
na nipa da usisi battery sha ho
na ye den na ko jigicha
enti to bia wo ya na ye din sa bo ha ye be se jigicha sa den why used wo so te so sa jigicha yimba enti ne humba da effect of masturbation ne humba obi so ho a odi ne ho enye jigicha ne nko a na tama jigicha ne koso ye oba ko so ye friend clit clicker
okay
ye bibi say utumi ekoshe akire na da akosua
we kumano so
na de ne say body say tatatre tata 3 na tata 3 no and so 3 years tata 3 that first one went tata 3 na and chikwacha tata 3 na third one 3 tata 3 imba bre ani gwase be ni me nyaba enti ye chimu se wonye adwuma na asan bi wona adwemu tata 3 enti ye di show se so mu fedi agura tata 3 na o tete ma be ne be tata 3 wow enti imbema ni bi to me bre enti obema bi wo ho se a wanya their friends say psychological barrenness and impotency me fan say psychological impotency rather because onko ho ne ama na assignment tata 3 enti onko and you so you're right be say you say see a fa ho kan be ma no then now de ho ye a Christian battle through I say nkrophobia wari baby a or why no a virgin for 32 years oni ne wura de mo na ye bia enkosoma no nyame adom edin ba ehwe say na from 16 years to 32 years no where you so kaka kreda where you so gigidada the dua pe no kan say where you so bia no mo mu so dua ne de mo mu due I say ade na me boy ye eye hunam bia dompenim enna bia wo wi a wonye dompe wo na wakoji obi dua a waye dua no ya nya mfa nipa manipa o ye fra no penis model a ye de adwuma e wo maso ye ho ye de demonstrate ne ba se na say na de na mba ya si wakoji na papa say 200 pieces every week na kofo gina
arako sama na ye me we kran say ebinum a omo kunu manya stroke ni ade no omo a drive wo mo do mo ko nti oyi ana be ma na kan o da bi we nya me size na
ye wiase
oyi a o we swasen no ha we ye no aye fa nko na to ne do konti oba no
o baby aye du na nye enti enya nsia won say your rights and privileges is recognized by you first and some member of life no enti say want to me and build rights and privileges na say they to so bi on so say imba ni bi wo ho say oba bia no se bi onkrofo ti tru na ansa na ye ware mo aba no. The environment ultimately used for your act should always be sacred and clean. The right is the right of the man to enjoy a bed that looks very neat and just smelling pillow. And number 2 is the right of the partner to also have a neat person on bed. A right and privilege. Baby be hosi minjare. Minjare. On to this 2 times. Now can conform mu twa lomo didi no. Hey,
we are few seeing you na gum.
Hello, darling.
Barbecue work.
Yes, it's a deaf do us part. Hello, darling. Where deaf?
Tias ye wo.
Ah, machi e fra sorry ko pra dia na. Entu dwane asana, entu mu dwane asana ye sorry ko pra no. E say hello no ba.
Wani bete no asore ko.
Wa sorry na enu po die kofo bi wo ho o mo te bro no bi a te say sphincters. Adenta sorry ko pra nyi adwuma wo ho. This will leave. E say you mistake na ye sorry ko pra. We cut traffic mu. Na yi wadi afi adwuma nti. Ya ye te sa bro no ho no mo de ye ntan nye sorry ko pra. E na ya ye used to it. Yeah, baby so one hwe ya o say life into me. And so we feel na dey asan. What drivers are had na one hwe impotency one hwe na akoba. Enti ye nyina you factor all these things into the marriage. Na kopeska bebre na wan ji living so ediba. It is your right to check the environment and the individual lady that you are also going to have the act with. Enye be man kwan on pedware o. Mbebe won so mu dware na so mu ni dware. Ebi mu dware o mu ni dware. Hwe mo me kan kire mo mba na mu sua se be ma bi bre. The brofo friend said nipple no ye tidy diagro ka for play ho papa bi ka say ne yire the ebuni sa so between atwetwe no ama then atwetwe ho a ye mfa nko wie wo mpem agro no crime self abuse crime atwetwe ho bia say ko wie wo mpem agro enti wo so ye nsu ahohye so kakra say mba ombabu omu nsan ko ade a kire so 4 days 5 days na etebio nso say aye bia utimi fam nso e wa wadaroma say anokrasem ne me mami bia me hu na wo ware kama anko ye yama no enti aware ra womba na ye ja aware no ye hwe ne nyema mu nyina no sana ovulate what time a moja ne ba ye nkrofo bi ayesa
and no yesa won abuse be ma no
David na say wo fam abuse be na wo
so oba moja tu a wo say ho na be yi abenti no be ma imra nya me mfe na be ma yi be ba
David ade o me fe ne den am me fe ne den etere at mi wie kura ma ebia oni na hu se onye so oye bra na at mi wie ma se na ebia na ade chi na eba na aba no so me fe de ho
ade be chi ama na ba ansa na
ebia akokan na akokan be
na ade se nya me fe ba se bia moja ni gina mu no and ebinu so mani bi se na wo kan mani bi wo moja ni gina mu no ano e na almost so feel
anti wa wo mi nsa sisi a she's a case wa wo mi nsa and all the pregnancies came while she was menstruating, she ovulated while doing menstruation. So the man really agreed to do it during that time, and that's how they had it. So at least there are no excuses. But however, to me believe you say sad days now you stay away from no, and so a small moment and you find check your self-control, send a bear, and yet there be a one say papa or ye bra, also tinaseka crana and yes say now performing to me bra 1 year.
And they're not trouble.
In Crawford to be deep. Look, who the idea punish you be a crime. A crime against the spiritual rule, crime against the government, and crime against yourself. Obi menstruatisa, they be a baby be a miti. Now me catch your baby so much constant excuse wa wadi mono. Me patcho transina friend, na pshe se den ekoso. Mami bi ye ni kunu bisa ma papa ne ni anje, me ko bisa mono. Oni abana wo 4. Oko ye knocking ni petition. 1 gallon. Oma wo 4 on person we oba no ho ade enti oba ni say wa afre wa bre no ko asori ye sere ne nyama enti onu so use no e de ye te say punishment. So it is not right to punish the na me ka ne po na asem no ngrofo bitimi dware na ne po no menye ho adwuma oba bitimi bo wa sa de ma ne bo wa ne say ya ma ne party bo ne minimum because two things involved ye de share wadum na yigu enum a huntumi ntungu oba me na ba dey
I don't minute
inteso tawa du nso ayi bisa za dey enti ya mini particles and chani abo small particles bi wa de na no e ya mu biare na mu yi wa what was say na ayefe efie no nso be sheet na ye fie bisa say ha de yen sisa nso sisa ye chi there be yen kasa sa the next one nso say privilege of communication during the act yen sia kasa yeah what was say kasa bi wo ho a yen ka e wo mpem wo hia be ma na ka che say ade yi so yen kan kire be ma sa
na mo ho modern
modern be na ope de wa hi na wa so asha modern body ya wo de ka me de ho
to bia wo sua
usua wo he
wati o radio so say red na camera say
na some kind of jigrija
bibi wo ho e jigrija nti wo sutra na e jigrija ma no
there be oh enti yen hwe ne ye na nkrofo bi nso privileges bi nkrofo bi nso ehun ne se metu kwa abrochire me be se me yire etna se etwen enti mu abrochire ma to jigrija abre no abrante bi ye bi so wo Germany no to jigrija different sizes different types and a click ibra abaye wo ha oba na se abroja yi mu ana oba na wo brante abedu fie na obehia na yire odi so akosu so ahia se bre owi ase kweku utu kwamba ya ti se de
ade ya ye
ti se wasesa kakra den wo yare na se den aden enja asem no be na se o mi bisa maame na ye bia jigrija wo se o bisa no na ti we ni nko ba bia otu kwan yi to bia se jigrija ya na me yuso ese anu atofoforo me se abrante
wa no wa se ade
si at how ti de ye be su ade mienu ye pa o mu di jigrija e bi ahye wo because jigrija na ka ne ha e wo ha enti de e bia no ohun anu enti mu so mu ama no ne so no ye ware obanja ne ntra ha eno so ne den cho konkron ne se ye mpo a ye ti he po a ya wale na ye pese ye kire kom enye sunsum ahonde a memme ye nche impema gronti na bonsam ambe so ya ahwe I say young man, you're vulnerable. I be a day enemy, very vulnerable. Maybe I didn't be shabby and then you know many so. And it to be we anymore. Now they ask I'm going to be faithful and I'm no. And to be stramo. Who obi waro no jout na now share na de ni nkoyi frenegu aware na ware de owo ha. I said your men na ebo na nya de otini baby. Abroche sika betime di na yen fan nya mpem agro. It's a right and privilege. It's also a right and privilege say it should be done in a way that is not exposing. To say enkwala obi mu ho mpem agro mo ye mihia ma bi oso no onye ni kun enda ewiada anopa omunye bi da de bia enyumere gro nkwa na tori otu tena se ma odwin se na de we ye ewia ebeye sen minya ba me nka kire o se we we condition mu different we we ceiling fan mu different ubie window na ye different u ka dan tum na ye different enti ni nyina different na meti assemble si ya me hu mu no kre se obi nya accident no wu wo Ghana ha ye nyina ye di no reho sa yes nkrofo bi so won ko to no na ne boxer shorts wo ne ha enti mbese me caution be man ade we oni anyonyam enti wu ko kwan so na ye o sa baria na ote ha no onfanya adwuma mo wan hwa be ku hu eku abaria enti em se ade ne ye se no we hu break no tia
accelerator na che se
etesi nkrofo be bre so the environment is very important me ka se break virginity or night club the right is reserved for you so be gati orgasm e say if you ho no ukuru kreti no the light ba e say ho na u break ade no we that say studio ha na ye to me ebi awanya studio aye din na say na hatie ya solite na ya na say feel so ya walewa. Whatever you do in breaking your virginity is what you experience in marriage. And to be abused one so the same. Let me talk a little bit about abuse. Sexual abuse is a crime.
Meba. Abusia for ya twetwe komo e de afa sexual rights of couples. Aware for pair na say right a omo e wo sex emu mene counselor Luchot and I twetwe enkomo no ha na ye besan beautiful lines no ye kasa ya na afi obi e wo asem bi kan na say asem bi se bi e wotimi e de abana ya hwese ne ayede ebeko no oso akasa e de afa sexual abuse
Me that's sexual abuse e bi need to say yantie e wan say now so be it's an abuse. It's called spousal rape. And ya kai ho ya dream say me worry I have right for sexual intercourse. No. Sexual intercourse a mutual consent. And me worry we no just say menya the bia me pe bia. No. Yen bisa yen say chokonkon say husbands love your wife as you love yourself. Utia wo ya bia be ho ne pa ne se no do si
tie ne ya
e na ahoni anyankopon ade adom mba no ubetimi de oyira wo ho Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday wonya esen bi ya ne ya on kan kira Wednesday na be hu san why you look dull, what's the matter? I say I had toothache from Sunday evening and you are shocked but me nya toothache if you never run it to a halt because me I say obi hu say be nya toothache na ye ma me care and by yen edu yen so no it is not right tie say obi chichire and son or the winyan pamagura abuse. Then me can have some maybe or see the cruise and the no pet and to the 10mm cable, electrical cable 10mm. Etchinensa. Now, Beman so can be on so no the Weba Honoma, this or the BB fan. Now, me can say Akobam, a share no muntie, so your bar. Now, Osha said, ye dear Saki count our dear. Now, who end to me and far, Miss Row, seek for clinical opportunity. See a gynecologist. ABI, you're not producing a estrogen that should lubricate the place because a crime. If the place is not lubricated and you enter, it's a crime. It's an abuse because you're going to cause bruises and pain. Intercourse and permanent and say a deep pain ever. And to be sure, no see adiano me pacho semi kru de me da me te wo me minimum ha se ko bibi bo me minimum ko ti go hospital. And then you now go hospital because at the above minimum they show it's at the end. The maximum length is within the range of that is within 7. It's just about 4 inches is needed for quarterly. I mean 4 inches when they would at the end. Obani there 9, 7 to 9. The Bema Kitano 4. And to who Wangasa Bema who say 4 year me can who the ruler 2 now sha. I didn't sorry, it was 6. And so, yeah, I do 9. A defect. And so, hospital near Bob. Your parent give me this. A baby can have a window shopping. So, who said I didn't in our Senate? When I was 1 year, who I did be and sorry, I hear my show. Now, I didn't stop me whom I may be in it. I want to move. Mission will say, sure. Now, go upon him, joy. One bottom man can you, and I'm sure me say. But then for being at your cramming, maybe I'm a cramming, she met him, mamma. Nani boss no se nyakupo wana adi oye na se nyamia ma brother ya boda what was it? So look, we should look at the abuse nature of the thing. If the place is not lubricated and you penetrate, it is an abuse. Number 2, say who determine who nipa now bemano who determine what must be done every time in the act without the mutual consent. It's an abuse. Or baby anywhere say what na onaka say on no po na menya ne den hwe nyankopon kan say obo nyam God mu nyam nyina no yesi obo wie no de bere Adam na Adam tun won nyina din na ohwe mu nyina no wan hu ne seso boafo wo mu wan hu ne seso boafo wo mu animu enti na che say Adam nipa daseni ne moa enya de enti de moa ye no ye nhwe ne anye na yam dudu bebre no bema bi wo ho wakɔhwɛ mmoa de bi na aka na ni so nna opeso dane na yire aboa bi sabio na de ohun sɛ aboa bi yɛ no onye mumi yɛ nhwɛ yɛ kan dane sɛ nyankopɔn ba bi ɔbɔ yɛ sɛ yɛn fa nhwɛ wan fa nhwɛ ho a ɛyɛ crime enti bi ade be hyɛ bia wan fa nhwɛ ba bi a yɛ sɛ yɛn fa nhwɛ no na sɛ wato mra na mra bi wo ho ato obi ankyɛw nanso one kasa so nim sɛ watch ho afide yɛn hwɛ obi wo ho a otumi ka to bi sɛ yɛdin menye dede debi hwɛ ni ye. It's an abuse. Obi do the level of orgasm. Now, or to our sweet name.
Okay, Also, baby, or baby, hold on. And I can't tell where you move from Akosia and say, yes, a move for pound. And there's some more could one. Girl, just a woman who for a day or no, yeah, we did it. And I get a some color to a temple. I did pull and I also saw money yesterday. Uncle again who abuse. No, abuse. A expression be a more relief. A mouth natural relief. And then I make us say, and crophobia so is here. Only good mono. Next, maybe a breaking virginity, no BT, you ding. And she has associated orgasm with. Go for bread. A brand TV fair, this back on the only home bar. Now I hear say, not your chewy, and you're every 2 weeks or banner, you're dressing it. Now, besides, what is causing this thing? Do you fight or say we don't fight? Can I tell you? I say, tell me. Anytime my wife is at orgasm, this is what I have. Or than a cat. Well, auntie, nipa to me, I express some mood now, and no so you abuse, suppressing the natural excitement of one another. She now ba mo fan chemi. Who suppress here esa and I mean you dey wa obi nkora ni tie na dey quiet. Nipa da seni. The right or what so you did. Wa abuse and asa wa trample upon it. Fine na obi lawyer ka say so be till next door. Na eye ne te say dey na aye no head confuse no and na money nya concentration woni dem a otumi di call AMA balance no so say noise making who disturbing no fine it me say obi so tumi gina ho e ma na nije hey me hu bi sada o si papa bi o si doctor bi o mti o mo na yidi ni se na yidi ni ye nti on the bus wi anu akotene mo window na chi omo ya no so jije no tie bi ni tibo na nije we eno so mo chi won so e crime o tumi di wa police it is you say people have the right to express themselves tie ye nim say abuse to even catch obi na also home bad dia ye din na den no aboya bihia no oye djuma bank o se onim da till da ni kunu kache wan ye din na record ma no o se ne ho ba how sweet otonyom the name of Jesus on the voice ba na last year December orgasm conference na here so fu bi anji na dem wo na say edan wo e wa no na kasa so fu bi anji na ni so ba me program na me kire o mo say ni say na me so practice here e no buy na yire say me bo anjo ba me tietia ho kakra yi na o ka chem say me ba me da nyame ase won abra bo me say den na o say me yire nka cho me mani wo no ka e ni a woni mi a bedu ni me bedu and no how say see o so do ho ni a woni mi a bedu ni me ni na anti Asante ni dey person just me njai na woni mi a Nyankopon bo ma ye say and release yen from stress and membo be shawo so membo be checherew membo be abuse or rights very important my yanko break him rana fe ye mati for so mremu na ye hwese ne be ko da busia for ye twa ho na ye mra sisia ne to nkomo no so abusia ya mama kwaba de aba studio hanumu ebio na esechene ne anwangwade asere yi wa hane de me ba cho freyen e was 0302 211701 211702 211703 211704 na ye ni enkomo e wo hanum Sarah what's the thing sex in heels
yes
and also
ujina bibi so won say height ye increase height kakra ma wa as some flavor no and you find say oba no share heel to sell the we a block but it could be a block but like it should be about 6 inches na o ni share one password postures amonya ye nya bi da and it's very important and na your posture bi wo we asemo a once in a while untanya pregnancy and intercourse untanya and to yiri fefu a body na yesa postures ni nyina na fato na da achi bi da chechero yire because you send it by once but when say one will 4 na so be nya no 4 times but was enti e say no so every posture has its own thing man can abuse bi so ha mba na abuse be man obu wa akoboti bi emu bon o say me dey twa na wo twi miensa ade emu bon
ne boye den be me bi si obre
na e ba ne senti ma ware yo na so nansi o de ne yiri hia o hwe ba bi na obo ni sei e so ben a
ade
aden me pa cho etini mu bon kona koyi aden udi twa de ben oso okoka se ye se o masika mfa nkoye na no so ye nkasa saa utimu bon de obeka kire e ye oden ukun mami bi so bre wa why ni kunu se ni kunu na di 62 omo waru so di 58 osi be man sebio na enum bon wa kebia papa isi onko da mesra o yiri si obre me fa fidie so apa
tietia ne fa hundie so
osi ni fa hundie o de nice to obre enti mesra o de ko hu dentist ye wonyama bebre ekoso ni embo a se enum pampan yi eturi bia ukutumi nkati okunu se enti mesra mo kona ko boa na ye nyina ye trans na nye de twiwanu twiwu techremaso na bon o techremaso say red now see white techrema ye white e be bon obi ani woni tinenu mutumi bon na so bo modi na hwe de obetumi aya afa ho mu nso amodi efie na da ne nkola ni nti mo ma place ni nye neat ma yen se na be ya ye ba eden nu mankasa bed sheet ni e ye neat obi woni pillow o da so a ntumi nso da ye ese usun da be sun cemetery na sa get ekun
samafo tata wo
well obi wo ho so a ne hu enhare ne ye wo mpem agro yen ka se koye ho slim ma wukunu anan koye ho fat ma wukunu ba won kasa hwe de be boawo na se exercise bi na be ya na manye ye nyina yen fo buo de di kan yen fo buo ma ye ho wo mpem
numbers no 0302 211 701 211-702, 211-703, and 211-704. Na yeni enkomo enfa eye writer aware for ewo empemu na sempa so grow ehu 2 p.m. Asante ma poet saying
wow say kumase bro no ba ko se de nyame na ba ko se da ban ti nyame aban ya na da na o so wa ko mi ye de
nyame ado mi bia boko lili ho ye de
o lili
say ampofo je ni we ni ye bedi o 10 years no friend was ye beba eti twa ko mato ye na chi a Dr. Nyako emma ye beba
eti lili wo so bo aho na multimedia for ba na nya bete na wa unim the champion man Mr. Thomas Kwabena Brima am friend che mo tema na asa na wona bo dan ye de say Abu Dhabi the chiana pa bigedu ene wona bo smiler o mi na wa so
okay
ba me eti mi na na papa akan Ezo, oge mema bre wo dem pa ye bete sa o.
E ma bi so bre.
Video assembly anu oksi. O bre kura ye see ye ni na ye repo. Ye ka se ye ko police station ko report to case is where ye wo dem anga ma ye be ti bibiri asu ko pela ye ni na ye rep. Ye bro. Ya mi kira mo.
Yo, Mate. Me da say. Oh sorry, let me say my next caller no. So my mama say yo member bi so mo so masturbate. Nti kakra na wo no so agya mu. So no
side effect ni premature ejaculation. And obi a nipa da se ne so use natural strength until we do pempe so be 60 and our drag bi a be me intimi sorry bi. Na nkwala mo ba na nsen 18 years aphrodisia. And natural strength ni wu anse no wale. And do hia na ohu hia no some boy a otumi nya bibi onum bibi a eno so wo abuse hu ye obibi so e friend say akola ketu be wedi 19 no kofa Viagra Viagra empanyifo de ofa baako o se anya adwuma menyaba no de baako ka ho aviade na so e friend prapism ejina ho emba fon no de anisuo etina taxi mu de ba kolebu asemen then e buy I took this. Obecheya. Viagra.
Baba me fa Regina ni na to anoso. Regina dia mo ache e ti saying.
Nyame ado me ho ye na so e.
Nyame ado bi e boko. Mayentie o.
Yo, me ma sem ni say communication. Nkomodie na e wa sem no. Ono ni bu afu dada. On kire o de ntia. Na emra so so ko be ko ho no. Afi ne no e be kire o say wan kaza say wo hu anyi dada na woni nti mesramu Mr. Luther Tokano and that you know I am raso alcohol on that na ye be kira odi wa ye abosi ayi esa asusu ebu abampa Mr. Luther pa o se kankam ni flat surface fake ni ayi mo
wa just yeah that's me fa your next caller gacho efo
yo hima na ala dia butu ti sai
nyame adom bibia e boko
yo ya tiani ajuma pa wa tena ho aho ma tia be du sa abiri nya poponto kwa na god is really what a shock there
Yame man palemo. Na anopa se amode asambe de SRP yesterday. Na me come atam Sunday ma me tia na bo Somala Ibrahim na me tia 2 PM and that unless omo wa Asante man paka akra na mre na drum tia tia hin ne tia hin fo so omo ka omo. Na oba hin ten ya Ghana ha no unim. Ten ya man no more right. Na ma di nya right da. And now ha me and na ma bre and now wo twetwe ho. But on the opedi any only right. Oh, them out here so for so kakra bi na jawati tu bia. Na ma be na say and now they opedi do na owo. Baba na de any ya on the so opedi. Ya ma right. Na ma yes you right too. Mo na time the right ni nyina ko mama. Any de be ka no de ko do. Nja ma no so mo ma kan kakra na ja. Mo right. Mo
yo ya da se me fa Kwame. Hello Kwame. Hello, Kwame.
Hello.
Yes, me bacha o free
Miss Referee, yours.
Yours, so you, my ain't you.
I'm the person that say, Monsieur, a step and my job about it. Hona, 1 mile pint. They be a cost, but made in just one yabra, the man.
Yo, that's it.
It will be a friend sexless marriage, and it's a crime under the law. You want pen trubia say in Pomagro am bem ewo. If you avoided continuously 10 times sexual intercourse, you are mawa. You have the right to go to court and cause the annulment of the marriage. Emra. The same excuse. And I'm iti. And I'm na embark because of muti on mo ebia be for ho check it. Subembi ewo ho otumase. Obi so dia ne say check Robinson na me no onda. Oni no ho one time I see without condom I say we again. O check e bia obi aka chance say obi bia. Enti ya yensi enti o ma say ya na. Okay.
Mami ko kuma se me fa na na ama. Me nua ba ti saying.
Ya me adimo ma na mo so.
Oh, Erade adom. My enti o.
People show me who can name and no honor. A true idea on Jerry. Okay, you must fear Napa, over the fee, and I just say 12-1. I also am a car, me honey, now 4 big ways. Until the idea may find it difficult, say, Nene, yes, success. Me feel happy. Until Obama Juan. Sabi, Nami, that was I not a fish. Your professor, no, I know, I have 1 year now.
Yo. Mama fa next caller na eya no mama. Hello. Yes, we know by dini bio.
If I try spend your refreshing.
All right. Esther it you.
If I try na say only monswe because me no to me bio.
We say no buy ateko. You say na this saying.
Listen, this is any but beginning na me
Okay. You. Mema serum why wo.
Can write no.
First one no. Amade no osiniku. Onu ndware, onu so wo san wo mpanafo. Nti wo ba.
Ama wasem ne ya wonsem ye din kakra ya se bema one on pay dware onu so awon. Ade ba ko ba bia mpe ne se obi beji ade a o keep wo fie ayusu. Enye won se woman wodru. De wan ye gi pa sremi woman. Ye gi woman. Se woman ne agi na de ekra ye woman enti profo beji saa enti nya botre ja ya gi de enya de pa na mbema no so woman bi won so ye gi saa na atai ye tai be ye be show roba woman yo bi agi saa e di wodu fufu e be tai
wa
ye tai abo
na ha me ne say won say
I so me kiri bi tell as it e be ba de say me mom ye excursion bro no me hu je si wo ye obabi e fra oji na be hu be ba ade ye gu na ni masea be me kem ade ya borrow sa fi de lose ni malability enti mu so mu borrow too much no mu hwe ni ye okun oba ofofa nko be mo pe enye mesrem ade enye o mpedware a we na abaye ohima udi ani nie boano odu fie na de wa bantem o na ne de na me twa me adware o ade na obehu aguro mu na de so egu no obi bi se ase na mu compound house nso be de nkakra na de na mu mienu nyina ngoshe adwade ho sua kama na e kire na nye eto na bi so aka chen se kwaku mesrew o widie na me fe na me ware wo na se na se eya yetum aden samna na aden adwade mienu ayo me pa cho ohene ma yensua ye nyina ndwade mienu why ye sha ase na sa na ekono na oyide ne nya fe ma me do na enu ano no e say abuse say ade no bon na so ye say gene sa o timi de na say ba ko so onyem no ye wo be friend clinical issues during pregnancy ebi wa uterus no etimi nya effect bi e wase ho. And she said, doctor's advice said no penetration till delivery. And so be man tia se. And no tia so be fa baby.
But we also no feeling.
Feeling it there was natural. There will be early stages no. During the first trimester no. Obu ompe. Second trimester no. Onya kura po dia no nasum. Na okono completion stage third one na afi there ochi say bia say na yefuna koye no na whatever it is say nya clinical problem na nya inconvenience bi manipa ne dia yanka na nsiye na mbe manso yensua say be hye ye ho so say ye hia self control na wa mama me call out mo nsua say mo make asem we adibie ni asasi so a obebia warefo betumi aye amani kunu etnafie. There is nothing a woman can do to keep a man home. There's nothing on earth you can do. But there's everything a man can do to keep himself home. And don't kill yourself. The pregnancy is giving you inconvenience for sexual intercourse. Now, some person for binti now there be don't abuse yourself. Let it be clear to the man. I have pain during intercourse, and for that matter, mean to me. On TSA. Report him to the nearby person who can talk to him, either a counselor or your doctor. He should be invited. Men being for so ne chiremu.
Sabi kunu kwa bontin e bia sex nti wo be ye bibia wo free so a kren no sia bontin ade ye ne enyonyam egu ni pedimas is so vulnerable and there's nothing that a woman can do. So all that you are doing is your right to do it, but it is not the intent to keep your husband home. And yes, sir, I've been problem. Me yaman di onko baby. And I may fadi inko me who matise mba be di ade ibodia. Nyankopon me bon pa yakan. Sa de ya me ji anwe. E ko wuro baby fofra. Mamo janu shino. Obi pa no ye ko prayer meeting. O send be me say ade wo dia me nka say from me no mate bi call baby I hold you. Send me to me see my dear kofa baby I am friend ho. Na afi de ehye na ba na wan na abo. Mbe ma bi nso akoje ade na si padlock. Your face here. Did I abuse? Well, na so bi bre na be say ye boa na dia wa wani tu. 0277 60 96 44 0277 60 96 44. Any abuse that you don't understand, report to the nearby police station and let the person be arrested. It's against the laws of the land. Keep your rights and privileges. I will say for you the more SC me pacho for C number 020-843 5044 020-843-5044 friend na ojujuju akaba ene mema seri atade e shey go bejuju akama kama pa ama bibia akoso asida kese enko ema production crew nyina kinoto king pacho ka bi omente kinoto ne camera for na afi light for MCR na sound makeup for omunyina na sound for maka set designers are omufie ha so me da master pa omada uma no masisi ha kama mama yetimi atena so midin e de akosia safo akantipo asari akoto nyame yadoma wo chena ye hia e wo adom FM so fra no pa no nsiampa mu ekosi no nwotwe na yemfa asetena pa dwumadi emro hwo